Jah is coming, Jah is coming. Zion shall be free, Zion shall be free. Of the trumpet, it's calling the children of Zion. Lift up your eyes, see the morning, Jah's light is shining. Babylon trembling, foundation shaking beneath their lives. Righteousness marching, truth like fire in the skies. Trumpets of revelation, Jah's message loud and clear. Calling every nation, every soul to draw near. Trumpets of revelation, sound the righteous song. Awaken all creation. Prophets and elders speaking the words of ancient days, guiding the lost children, showing them the righteous ways. Chains of oppression breaking, hear the people sing. Mount Zion rejoices, let the freedom bell ring. Horns blowing high, deep drums roll low. Hearts united, let the spirit flow. Stars above are shining, angels live, play wings, the sound of Jah's trumpet. Salvation it brings. See the lion in the city, standing tall, never weak. Righteousness and justice, this is what the trumpet speaks. Children of the morning, arise and take your place. Dance in the holy fire, feel Jah's saving grace. Trumpets of revelation, Jah's message loud and clear. Calling every nation, every soul to draw near. Trumpets of revelation, sound the righteous song. Awaken all creation. Hear the trumpet blow, Zion calling. Hear the trumpet blow, daughters rise, no falling. Jah-Jah guide, Jah-Jah shield, we walk the path His love revealed. Walking through the city, strings of stone and fire, hearts ablaze with faith, lift your spirit higher. Babylon, they try to break your stride, but daughters of Jerusalem, we wear the lion's pride. Chains may rattle, dark clouds may come, but in the name of Zion we overcome. Every tear we cry is watered by the rain. Every trial we face, Jah breaks the chain. Daughters of Jerusalem, rise and sing. Lift your voice for the Most High King. Through the night and storm we stand tall, with Jah long and Zion call. Daughters of Jerusalem, rise and sing. Hear the trumpet, feel the swing. From the valleys low to the mountains high, we are light that can't be denied. See the mother, see the sister, wisdom in her eyes. Through the struggle and the sorrow she never denies. The fire of the spirit, the power in her hand. Guided by Jah, she protects the land. Every drum beat echoing the ancient word. Every sacred chant, let the world be heard. Rise, daughters, rise, never, oh, never sway. Jah is your shield, the light, the rise, daughter, hear the whispers of the prophets in the wind. Stand firm, stand strong, Zion within. Don't delay, chants echoing, spirits lift. Jah's eternal gift, no risk. Walk in the garden, stand in the flame. Every trial overcome, remember His name. Babylon trembles, can't silence the call. Northern of Jerusalem, proud and tall. Speak truth with courage, speak love with fire. Every righteous deed lifts you higher through the smoke and ashes. See the sun through His mercy. The battle is won. Daughters of Jerusalem, rise and sing. Lift Trumpet sound calling through the night. A holy light shine bright in the darkness of the fight. Babylon deceives, but Zion sees the truth. The Ark of the Covenant, Jah's eternal proof. Mountains bow low, sing his name, rivers sing his name. The fire of Jah, it will never be tamed, never be tamed. Righteous souls march, with hearts full of love, guided by the Most High, blessed from above, Ark of the Covenant, Jah's holy sign. Zion, make the darkness shine. Through the storm, through the fire, oh, we rise above. Wrapped in your mercy, guided by your love. Oh, covenant settlement, wings spread across the sky. Secrets of the ages, Jah's word never die. We walk in the shadow, but we feel the light. The Ark of the Covenant, shines through the night. Chanting elders say, keep your faith strong, for Babylon's light will never last long. Lift your voice high, let the mountains hear. Jah's mighty power, cast away all fear. Ark of the Covenant, Jah's holy sign. Lead us to Zion, make the dark mercy, guided by your love. Through desert sand, and storms of time, the ark and dove, a sacred sign, in the hearts of children, in the elders' eyes, the promise of Zion, never shall it die. Oh Jah, protect us, guide us, ark of life, ark of judgment, Jah's holy sign. Lead us to Zion, make the darkness shine. Through the storm, through the fire, we rise above, wrapped in your mercy, guided by your love. Who guides us? Who Jah guides us? Who protects us? Jah protects us. Who guides us? Jah protects us. Oh, Zion rise, ark of Jah, ark of Jah. Mercy, love, forever, forever. From ancient lands, the ark is calling. Follow the path to Zion. Soul, make me sing. Oh, river of David. Oh, mighty and sacred. Hear the angels singing on the morning breeze, carrying praises through the sacred trees. I see the lions resting by the riverside, with the children of Zion walking with pride. Every tear is gathered in Jah mighty hand, every burden lifted, every heart will stand. From Jerusalem hills to the farthest my soul, make me see. Make me see. Oh, river of David, flow, flow, mighty and sacred. Yo, flow, river of David, flow, river of David, mighty waters lift me higher. River of David, oh sacred river, guide me, Jah, to Zion forever. Whoa. Jah guide we feet. Oh, hear the call, hear the call. Babylon must fall. Babylon must fall. Children rise, stand tall, stand tall. Them build their towers, reach the sky, but them hearts full of lies. Babylon will die. Chains bound we mind, we break them free. Jah light a fire and we shall see. No more oppression, no more chains. We walk righteous through the rainbows. Hear the trumpet, hear the horn. Babylon crumble and you they born. Babylon must fall, rise up children of Zion. Babylon must fall, lift your name higher. No more deceit, no more lies. Babylon must fall before our eyes. Them oppress the weak children of Zion. Babylon must fall, lift your name higher. No more deceit, no more lies. Babylon must fall before our eyes. Babylon must fall, children. Oh, Jah guide we. Zion forever. Babylon must fall. Zion, Zion, born Zion, Jah Jah reign. Zion forever. From the valleys low to the mountain high, we lift our hearts up to the sky. Lion of Judah, guide our way through Babylon night into Zion day. Drums of freedom echo in the land. Righteous people walking hand in hand. Roots of the earth feel Jah's fire. Every soul lifted, every heart inspired. Chant of Mount Zion, hear it loud. Rising spirit, strong and proud. Chant of Mount Zion, feel the sound. Jah's love and power all around. Chant of Mount Zion. Jah's love and power all around. Chant of Mount Zion. Babylon crumble, lies fall apart. We keep the faith, we guard the heart. The river of David flowing strong, carrying praises, righteous song. Elders teach with wisdom deep. Nyabinghi rhythms in the soul we keep. Smoke of incense, herbs of Jah. Lift our minds, guide the law. Chant of Mount Zion, hear it loud. Rising spirit, strong and proud. Chant of Mount Zion, feel the sound. Jah's love and power all around. Chant of Mount Zion. Jah's love and power all around. Chant of Mount Zion. Who shall stand? We shall stand. Who shall fight? We shall fight. Who shall sing? We shall sing. Who shall stand? steady pace. Every mountain high, every valley low, Zion spirit in us always grow. Babylon's chains cannot bind. Righteous love expand the mind. Hear the chant, feel the drum. All creation say the King has come. Chant of Mount Zion, hear it loud. Rising spirit, strong and proud. Chant of Mount Zion, feel the sound. Jazz, love and power all around. Chant of Mount Zion. Jazz, love and power all around. Chant of Mount Zion. Zion, Zion, Mount Zion. Jah reigns forever. We shall not fear. Lion of Judah, guide our way through night to light. Your love is near. Zion, Zion, Jah Jah. Zion, 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 Jah Jah forever. Fyah Nyabinghi, Nyabinghi. Jah, Lion of Judah, Lion of Judah, reigns forevermore. Hear the trumpet sound across the land, rising up every child, take a stand. Babylon crumble, chains fall away. Zion's children march in the light of day. Roots of David deep in the soil. Faith and love grow from struggle and toil. Hear the elders chant, feel the drum beat sway. Lion of Judah guides out. Lion of Judah reign. Oh, Lion of Judah reign. From Mount Zion to the shores of far. Lion of Judah reigns. Oh, Lion of Judah reign. Oh, Lion of Judah reigns. Oh, rivers of wisdom flowing in our mind. Seek just truth, leave the lies behind. Every heart uplifted by his sacred flame. Every tongue praise the mighty name. Warriors of light rise in unity. Bound by love, bound by prophecy. Hear the children sing, let the nation see. Lion of Judah set us free. Judah, Judah. Lion roar in the night, shining light. Jah, and valley know his name. Lion of Judah, break every chain. One love, one heart, one destiny. Zion's light shine eternally. Sing together, hear the angels sing. Lion of Judah, eternal King. Lion of Judah reigns, oh. Lion of Judah reigns. Lion of Judah reigns. Oh, Lion of Judah reigns. From Mount Zion to the shores of far. Lion of Judah reigns. Lion of Judah reigns. Oh, Lion of Judah reigns. Jah, 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 Jah. Lion of Judah. Lion of Judah reigns forevermore.
Georgia, finally done, Jah. Put it on, Georgia. The shepherd rod, the shepherd rod, lead me through the night, Zion's light. Through the valley, through the fire, I walk with the shepherd, my heart's desire. His rod and staff, they comfort me through Babylon chains. Jah set me free. Hear the lion roaring, mighty and strong, in the land of Zion, where we belong. No shadow of fear can touch the child of light. The shepherd rod guides me day and night. The shepherd rod, the shepherd rod, lead me home to Zion under the hand of God. The shepherd rod, the shepherd rod, protect my soul from Babylon's fraud. Rivers of temptation, storms in my way. Jah give me strength to walk and pray. In the wilderness, I hear the call. The shepherd rod, it never falls. Children of Zion, rise up and sing. Praise to Jah, the eternal King. From roots to crown, we stand as one man, till Babylon's reign is finally undone. Oh, guide me, shepherd. Oh, protect me, Jah. Oh, guide me, shepherd. Oh, protect me, Jah. Every step, Jah before me. Every night, Jah beside me. Through the trials, through the pain, the the shepherd rod shall never reign. Mountains may crumble, seas may roar, but Jah's rod is stronger than before. Every heartbeat, every breath leads me closer to life, not death. The meek shall rise, the blind shall see. The rod of the shepherd shall set us free. No chains can bind, no lies can sway. The path to Zion is the only way. The shepherd rod, the shepherd rod, lead me home to Zion under the hand of God. The shepherd rod, the shepherd rod, protect my soul from Babylon's fraud. The rod of guidance, the rod of peace, the shepherd leads, the shepherd leads through every storm, through every night. Zion shall rise, Zion shall rise.
I abide in my soul. Jah Jah, light the fire. Burn, burn, holy fire in my soul.
Trials and storms, the victory's won. Chains of Babylon, they tried to hold me down, but Zion calling, just light all around. Burn, burn, holy fire in my soul, lift me higher. Jah make me whole. Burn, burn, holy fire in my soul, guide my footsteps, lead me to the goal. Burn, burn, holy fire in my soul, lift me higher. Jah make me whole. Burn, burn, holy fire in my soul, guide my footsteps, lead me to the goal. Drums, bass, percussion, horn fills, optional chanting. Holy fire burn in me. Call and response, echoes throughout. See the elders' eyes shining with the truth, lessons of the ages, wisdom of the youth. Every chant, every drum beat, every word we sing ignites the fire to Jah we bring, yeah. Burn, burn, holy fire in my soul, lift me higher. Jah make me whole. Burn, burn, holy fire in my soul, guide my footsteps, lead me to the goal. Slow chanting, echoing humble fire, fire. Holy fire burning me, fire, fire. Holy fire set me free, fire, fire, fire. Creating a spiritual trance, yeah. Ooh. Burn, burn, holy fire in my soul, lift me higher. Jah make me whole. Burn, burn, holy fire in my soul, guide my footsteps, lead me to the goal. Burn, burn, holy fire in my soul, lift me higher. Jah make me whole. Burn, burn, holy fire in my soul, guide my footsteps, lead me to the goal. Fire, fire, oh, fire, fire, holy fire burn. Fire, fire, yeah. Fire, fire, set me free. Fire, fire, set me free. Fire, set me free. Fire, fire, hey, fire, fire. Holy fire, holy fire, burning me, holding me. Holy fire, holy fire, holy fire, set me free, burning me, set me free, yeah. Fade with drums, rolling bass and soft horn echo. Hear the lion roar through the sky. Oh, Zion shall rise from the chain and the light. Shadow tried to bind our chain, but the fire of Jah, it burned in our soul, guiding us forward to the promised goal. Lift up your eyes to the mountains high, see the land of Zion where no tears dry. Children of the Most High, unite and stand with the Lion of Judah, leading the band, and Zion shall rise. Oh, we know it is true. Zion shall rise. Jah light shine through it. Zion shall rise. Every heart shall people shall be free. Hear the trumpet sound over hill and plain, righteous warriors breaking every chain. Elders chanting psalms in the morning mist, just mercy flowing, none can resist. See the children dancing, feet on the ground, rising higher, feel the spiritual sound. Babylon crumble, walls come down in the heart of Zion. Love abounds, Zion shall rise. Oh, we know it is true, Zion shall rise. Your light shine through, Zion shall rise. Every heart shall see the day of freedom, the people shall be free. Spirit of Jah, forever proclaimed. Every chain, every shackle shall fall. Hear the righteous, hear the call. Over rivers deep, through the desert wide, Jah's children marching with the lion as guide. Songs of the prophets ringing in the air, message of freedom everywhere. From Kingston town to the mountainside, hear the melody of a people die. With roots in the past, we face the sun. Zion shall rise, the victory is won. Zion shall rise. Oh, we know it is true. Zion shall rise. Shall light shine through. Yeah. Zion shall rise. Every heart shall see the day of freedom. The people shall be free. Children of Jah, forever strong.